Today I'm going to show you how to turn $30 into $250. Let's do it. First thing as always, throw on them safety glasses. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take one of our 1x2s here and we're going to measure out to 40 inches. That's how big we're going to make ours. We're making a A-frame ladder shelf. I'm going to put some pictures up right now on Etsy what they're selling for. I was looking at them on there. I was like, man, those are that expensive and you can build them for about $30. So that's what I'm showing you. Now we're going to take this to the miter saw. We're going to make that cut. Now that we got our first leg cut out, we need 4 of them, so we need 3 more. We're going to take that first cut like always, put her down, get her flush with the other side, make us a line, and head back to the miter saw to cut 3 more out. So now that we got all of our legs cut out, 4 of our legs out of our 1x2s. Like I said, these 1x2s are really cheap. They're like $1.50, $2 at the store. We are going to measure out to see how big our rungs need to be. So to do that, I'm just going to put these on the sides here and get a measurement, and we're going to start cutting them out. Now that we got her measured up, we're going to cut 6 of these out. Now that we got all 6 of our rungs cut out, because we're going to do 3 shelves, we're going to hit all of our pieces with a little bit of sandpaper. So now that we got everything sanded up and ready to go, we're going to make our marks on our legs where we want the rungs to go. So the first one we're going to do at 8 inches. That's where the bottom is going to go. Put us a good mark at 8 inches. You want to make sure when you do this you're really accurate or your shelves will be uneven. So we're going to go ahead and make our measurements on all of our boards at 8 inches and then start putting on the rungs. Before we do that though, like I said, so one rung's going to be at 8 inches. Another one's going to be at 20. To be 12 inches apart. And then the next one, the top one, is going to be at 32. So that's where they're going to be at. And we're going to mark all those lines on our legs. We got all of our boards all measured up and got lines on them. So what you're going to do then is you're going to take one of your rungs. If I can get my wood glue open. You'll put a little bit of wood glue on both sides. A little bit above your lines here. So we're going to the bottom of our rung is going to sit above that line. Just like that. Now, you're going to take it. Get her right there on your line. Make sure you're flush and then put a brad nail. There you go. Now, to your other end. Same thing here. You'll shoot a brad nail again, 2 of them. And then we're going to continue that process all the way up this one, and then we'll do our other side. Alright guys, so now this is what you should be looking like. You should have 2 sets just like this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to throw a hinge on the tops here. I'm going to show you exactly how we do that. Guys, so the hinges that we got these nice golden looking hinges. So you want to put it to where they go like that and they can't go anymore. So that side is going to go on the inside just like that. So we're going to start installing these on all of our ends. Alright guys, I forgot forgot to explain to you, but like I said, you want to put them on like this, and then just take your other ladder, put it just like that. And what that allows you to do is when you turn that over, you get a nice A-frame. So now we're going to take our shelf. So we got this nice little piece right here. I think this is about $11 at Home Depot. So like I said, goes into the 30 bucks. So we're going to figure out what size of a shelf we want on each level, cut them out, and put them on there. All right, guys, so this is what we're looking like right now. We got just our shelf sitting up in here, not cut to size yet. We want a 6-inch overhang, so I'm going to hold my tape measure at the edge of this. That's 6 inches. Then we got, so that'll be 32.5 is what we need. So we need a piece 32.5. We're going to cut that out, and then we'll install that shelf. All right, guys, we got our cut out at 32.5. We're going to hit it with the sander. All right, guys, so we got this side right here all equaled out to 6 inches overhang. We're gonna come in with our brad nailer. One right there. So now that we got our bottom shelf nice and installed, we're gonna work on our other two. Same thing, we're just gonna take it 6 inches to the corner of that. We got 19.5 plus 6 inches, I believe is 25.5, I believe. We're gonna figure that out, get her measured up, and cut her out. All right, guys, we got our measurement. It's actually gonna be 25 3/4. I'll put us a line there, put us a line here. Grab that humongous speed square. Get her lined up. Alright, guys, we got our second shelf here all sanded up, ready to go. Got our 6 inches all measured out. Let's go ahead and send us one brad nail. Now this is how she's looking after the second shelf. We're gonna get to work on that third shelf. Same process. Measure her out. Make sure you got the 6-inch overhang. We're gonna cut her out and put her on there. Alright, guys, we got our last shelf right here. We got it on the floor since I couldn't reach it on the table. We're going to go ahead and put our brad nails in there. Alright, guys, we got this bad boy built. Cameraman, if you can step back, give him a little wide angle of what she's looking like so far. That's what she's looking like. We're going to hit it with that American walnut stain. Alright, guys, we just got done staining, so she's sitting here drying, but check her out. She is looking like an absolute beaut. Just like the pictures I showed, I'm going to show them again. Like I said, if they can make all that munyon, why can't we? I mean, they're using simple wood and just adding, you know, whatever stain anybody chooses, so it's just regular wood to stain, just like we did here. So like I said, if they're making all that munyon, we can do the same thing. But like always, guys, I appreciate y'all coming by, watching this video, hanging out with us today. If you liked it, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and throw down there a comment. And we will catch you in the next one. Peace.